Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation with pictures on your laptop step by step. So, let's get started. First, double-click on your PowerPoint file to open it. When the presentation opens, you may see some default objects or placeholders on the slide. Press Ctrl+A to select all objects, then press the Delete key to remove them. Now, if you want to add pictures from your computer, click on the Insert tab located on the top menu bar. Then click on Pictures. You will see several options. Select this device, browse your computer, choose the image you want, and click Insert. Once the picture is added, you can adjust its size and position. If you want to give your image a rounded look, click on the picture, select Crop, choose a rounded shape, and adjust the image inside the frame. You can also drag the corners of the image to crop and resize it according to your needs. To add text to your slide, click on the Insert tab again and select Text Box. Draw a text box anywhere on the slide and type your text. You can change the font size, style, color, and position to make your presentation look more professional. If you want to create another slide, click on New Slide and repeat the same steps. Add pictures, insert text, and customize the layout as needed for each slide. After completing your presentation, click on File, then select Save As. Choose the folder where you want to save the presentation, enter a file name, and click Save. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.